Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to turn on mobile or cellular data on Samsung Galaxy A07. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your device and open the Settings app. The Settings app is your central hub for managing everything on your phone, whether it's display, sound, security, or connectivity. Everything starts here. Step 2. Once inside the Settings menu, locate the search bar at the top. Tap on it and type Mobile Data, then press Search. This is a quick way to find exactly what you need without navigating through multiple menus. Step 3. In the search results, you'll see the Mobile Data option. Tap on it and then switch it on. Once enabled, your phone will connect to your carrier's cellular network, allowing you to browse the internet, stream videos, and use apps without Wi-Fi. Step 4. Want a faster method? Simply swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Look for the mobile data icon. Tap it once, and your data will be instantly activated. Super easy and convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.